Hey guys, it's August 30th, 2017, Lake Alatuna, and here you can see 1986, I believe, Yamaha 40 horsepower motor, long shaft, set up for remote steer. When I got it, I cleaned the carburetors, put new impeller in it, and there we go. It ran perfect home in the bucket. And it's gonna be tested on 16 feet long, 48 inches wide at the bottom, Landau aluminum flat bottom jumbo with some added weight to it in the form of front casting deck, floor, center console, rear casting deck, and of course myself, and about 3 gallons of gas and 1 marine battery. Motor has a 14 pitch aluminum propeller on it now. Motor still has working oil injection. It has not been disconnected. Alright, and full throttle at once. That's about the lowest speed while still on plane, around 20 miles an hour. And full throttle again. It was not bad. Never went 38 miles an hour in a jumbo, that's for sure. Well guys, I'm very happy with it, and thanks for watching.